Aris, Aris, Aris. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, another reading. January 1 to 15, 2026. Yes? So, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot, fellow OFW. Magandang araw, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi kung nasaan mo tayong parte ng daigdig. Yeah? So, relax lang po tayo. So, another weekend, another reading. January 1 to 15 para sa ating kapatid na fire sign, Aries. Yeah, okay, game na po tayo. Okay. So, Aries, what you need to know. What you need to know, January 1 to 15. Give me one card. Give me one card. Check natin yung energy ng ating mga hot at mga fire sign na kapatid. Okay. So, sana po ay nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan, happy, healthy, at madaming blessing. Okay. Give me one card, Aries. For Aries, what Aries needs to know. One card. Okay. Three of Cups. Celebration. Okay. Connecting with with the people na talagang genuine friend. Okay? So, it can be within the family setting, it can be office, or sa community. Yeah? So, tignan natin. Tignan natin yung storyboard ni Aris. Okay, let's see. Kunin ko lang tong isang card. Tignan natin. January 1 to 15. Celebration. So, starting the year with a lot of love, a lot of support, a lot of emotional connection, a lot of happy connection. Okay, it's coming from that heart space. Yeah. Okay. So it's a good year to start. It's a good start of the year. Walang headache, walang drama. Just being with people you love and who also love you, mga genuine, mga tunay na mga kaibigan. Yeah? Okay. Aries. What Aries needs to know? January 1 to 15. Tignan natin yung storyboard. Give me one card. Tignan natin yung storyboard. Tignan natin ang storyboard ni Aries. January 1 to 15. Give me one card. Give me one card. Okay, inaantok pa si Aries ha. Inaantok pa after the new year. Okay, give me one card. Give me one card. Kapatid nating Aries. Oops. Yeah, lumilipad. Okay. Ace of One. So, inspired action, new beginning, new year, January 1 to 15. So, yung inspiration mo, buhay na buhay. Yeah? So, you're looking for fresh start. Gusto mo palaging nakakonect lang sa people na you can trust. Yes? So, you will feel good. You will feel very inspired. You get inspiration from other people. Yeah? So, it's a good energy. New beginning, new year, new inspiration, new inspired action. Kung ano man yung pangarap na nabitin o gusto mong ituloy, if you watch yung new moon reading at saka yung full moon reading for January, so continuation to nung manifestation. So just keep on keep that fire, yung apoy, yung inspiration mo, wag mawawala, okay? Always aim, laser sharp, i-focus mo, okay? 9 of Wands, so wounded warrior, okay? Huwag kang susuko, okay? Hindi panahon ito para sumuko. Bagong taon, bagong panimula, keep that fire burning. Hawak mo yung alas, okay? Ayan yan, oh. Okay? Ikaw to Aries, okay? You are, nakataas pa yung noo, be proud. Be proud, maski na nasaktan ka, nagkautang ka, nagka-problema ka, nagkaroon ka ng problema, may sakit, nagkaroon ka ng financial issue, nabagyo, nabaha, pagod physically, yeah? Keep that fire burning. Ayan yan, oh. Oh, okay? So, nandiyan yung bagong panimula. Yung dream mo, kung gusto mo nang makaalis sa sitwasyon, keep pushing. Okay? Huwag kang susuko. 9 of 1, it's all about pagod physically. Okay? Ito yung sundalo na nasugatan, nasaktan, na binastos, nakipag-away, nakipagtalo, lahat na. Okay? Nakipagplastikan, pero lumalaban pa rin. Okay? Aries being a fire sign, you always have that fire in your belly. Okay? And you're gonna achieve that. Kung ano pa yung you trying to work out. Yeah? Ayan siya, oh. Okay? Nakatingin ka dito. Nakatingin ka dito. Looking forward to the Three of Cups. It's all about happy connection. Yes? Okay. So, again, iba-iba po tayo ng timeline at setting sa buhay. So, it can be related to work environment. It can be related to the community. Yeah? Siguro another advice here is choose wisely. Choose wisely in terms of the people you want to connect with. Okay? So, dealing with another fire sign or business associates or kaibigan or anybody's community. So, choose wisely kung kanino mo isa-share yung emotional connection. Okay? So, at the same time, connect with the right people. That's how I can feel here. Yeah? Ace of 1, palagi magbubukas yan. It's all about laser sharp focus. Physically tired, huwag kang panghihinaan. Huwag kang panghihinaan ng loob, Aries. Okay? So, itong Aries na nasa harapan ko, physically tired. Okay? Lahat tayo, dumadaan po dyan. But, it doesn't mean na susuko ka. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Tingnan pa natin yung storyboard ni Aries. Kunin ko itong isang deck ko. Okay? Tuloy natin. So, if you manifest last year, 2025, ito yung kasunod. Okay? Watch that, new moon reading at saka yung full moon reading. So, kung if you are manifesting big, kung meron kang itinanim na intention, ituloy mo. Okay? Proseso po yan. Walang libre. Walang libre po. Lahat talagang we have to work hard for it. We need to fight yung natin, yung pangarap natin at saka kung ano man yung ambisyon natin. Kailangan po yan. Okay? Yung sagot darating. Yung sagot darating. Okay. Let's continue. Tingnan natin what Aries needs to know. January 1 to 15. Ang full moon reading sa December is about big intention. Wala nang maliitan. Okay? Kung ilalaban mo yung dream mo, malakihan na. Kasi pare-pareho din ng effort yan eh. That's how I can feel here. It can be physically exhausting, pero it doesn't mean na you just give up. Nag-open sa'yo yung a new beginning, the portal of abundance and ambition and dream and drive. Nandiyan sa'yo. Nasa loob mo yan. You don't see it. Okay? Pero photo finish. Okay, one more card. Let's see what Aries needs to know. What Aries needs to know. Okay, give me one card. Blind spot. Give me blind spot for Aries. Blind spot. 6 of Pentacles. Yeah? Kung sa palagay mo na agrabyado ka, this is karmic. I always look at the 6 of Pentacles as give and take, balance, karma. So kung ano yung itinanim mo, siyang aanihin. Ito yung sitwasyon na in the past, meron kang tinulungan ng hiram sa'yo ng pera, not only monetary value or pera, kundi emotional support or anything to that line. Okay? Kasi nandun po tayo sa estruktura. Kailangan nung pinsan mo ng pera, emergency, binigyan mo, maski nawala ka, it will come back to you. Okay? Meron kang nirecommend ng kaibigan para makapagtrabaho. So, it will come back to you also. That's the karmic reward. Kung sa palagay mo na agrabyado ka sa trabaho at hindi ka binabayaran ng tama, it will come back to you. Watch towards first or second half of 2026, okay? 2026, maraming change na mangyayari. There will be a huge shift. Yun ang isang nakikita ko. And also some of the predictions, 2026 will be different. Maraming yung mga ano ko na lang sa politics, okay? Maraming ma-uncover, maraming mabubuyang-yang, maraming mabubulgar na it will shift the dynamics, yung weighing scale, kumbaga sa ano, agrabyado ka dito, those kind of things. Kamukha yung mga nakawan sa DPWH, yung mga kasinungalingan, lilitaw at lilitaw. That's how you're gonna get your karma and also your balance. Yes? So, kung ikaw ay nagsipag, maski you feel na naagrabyado ka, tinuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. Okay? So, you will have that exchange and that balance and fairness. Yeah? Okay? Hindi to something na hindi nakita. Yes, the universe will give that, will pay back. Okay, payback period ito. That's why I consider this as a karma, very karmic. Yeah, so it's sitting beside that Tree of Cups. Okay, so a celebration. That's something that you can be share as well. So continue the sharing maski na sharing hindi na nangangahulugan palaging pera. Okay? There are people na they need only emotional support or yung mahihinga ng sama ng loob. Those are type of sharing. That's balance as well. Okay. Tingnan natin. What Aries needs to know? What else Aries needs to know? Tignan natin tignan natin ang storyboard. But this is a good way to start new year, fresh start. Ayun, gusto natin kalimutan na yung mga didn't work out for the last year. So it's something that we can look forward to. Yeah, bagong panimula. Everybody deserve na second chance, ika nga, or to start fresh. That's the cycle of life is all about. Tama po ba? Okay. Aries. Blind spot. Give me one blind spot. Give me one more blind spot. Give me one more blind spot. Bigyan natin ng good reading si Aries. Blind spot. Yeah, inaantok pa siya. O ako yung inaantok po. Okay. Check natin. Pasensya na po ako medyo maingay sa background. May ginagawa sa kapitbahay. Okay. Tuloy natin. Aries. What you need to know. Blind spot. Give me blind spot. Yeah. Lumilipad. O, dalawa. Ituloy natin to. Basahin natin. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah. It's hard work and discipline. Yes. Oh, Nine of Pentacles. Independence. So, that's the balance that you are looking for. Yeah. Everything is green and madaming bunga and madaming abundance. Yeah, that's a good way to start the new year. Tama po ba? Okay. So, ang Aries na nakikita ko rito, pinanghinaan. Wag. Yes, napagod physically. Hindi ka lang Aries ang nag-iisang nagtatrabaho. Okay, napapagod at pasan mo yung problema ng iba. Yes, don't feel na nag-iisa ka. No. You're not alone. The balance, the karmic reward, makukuha mo. Yes, persevere. This is Seven of Pentacles. Maski na hindi ka tinitingnan ng amo mo, maski na nag-iisa ka, ginagawa mo lang yung dapat mong gawin. Yeah, this is discipline. Alam mo kung paano gumising ng umaga, tanghali, magluto, maglinis ng bahay, pumasok, mag-traffic, makipagsiksikan, pumunta sa palengke. You do it diligently. Yes? So, yung yung soil na yan, hindi biro po yung magsaka. Yes? To wait dun sa proseso na yung itinanim mo mamumulaklak at magbubunga. Yeah? It takes time. Yes, discipline and a lot of hard work. Init ng araw kasama po 'yan. You can see sa background niya nandiyan yung bundok. Yeah, that symbolizes yung dream natin. Life is not easy. But at the end of the day, Seven of Pentacles, once na ma-master mo yung disiplina na yan, you're gonna have your independence. Hindi po bumabagsak yung pera sa langit. That's not true. Life is difficult, but sa aris na nakikita ko, you have that new beginning. Kung ano man po, kung ano yung definition ng aris na ito about your dream, persevere. Ituloy mo, nagtatrabaho ka sa palengke, sales clerk, salesman, driver, yung gano'n po, iba-iba yung definition. OFW, fellow OFW, you know how it is. It's not easy na magtrabaho bilang OFW. Maraming tayong responsibilidad. But at the end of the day, we want that independence, abundance, malaki, maliit na savings. That's something that we can say na pinaghirapan. Okay? Or something na we can look forward for your retirement. Yeah? Nandiyan yan. So, we want that abundance na hindi mo na kailangang mamroblema. Yes? Hindi ka na mamroblema sa credit card na pambayad. Hindi ka na mamroblema sa pang-tuition pinang anak. You just enjoy the fruit of your hard labor. Nine of Pentacles is being independent. Hindi ka darating sa sitwasyon ng pagiging Nine of Pentacles na yan if you didn't go through the Seven of Pentacles. That requires discipline after you harvest, and then that's where your abundance is. Again, if you're looking for ways to grow, I think it's an opportunity din yun. Look for opportunity dito sa aris na nasa harapan ko to invest your money. Invest wisely. Okay? One subliminal message that I can say here, nadadala tayo minsan sa physical exhaustion. No. Okay? Use your laser sharp focus. Focus on what you want. What makes you happy. For 2026, Aries, you have that fire in your belly. You have a new beginning. Claim mo. Claim that one. And you're gonna have that Nine of Pentacles. Lahat tayo, yan ang inahanap natin. Magandang bahay, makabayad sa utang, and enjoy the fruit of hard labor, namulaklak na yung this is the same tree. If you can look at this, yeah, yeah, it's season. It's seasonality. Kung may buwan or merong season na mamumulaklak to at meron din season na tagtuyo. So when you go up around that cycle, alam mo na yung master mo na yung how to deal with issues, how to deal with your problems, how to deal with sometimes na simple things na you make it big. Hindi naman, it's not the end of the world kasi hindi ka nag-iisa. Yeah? Hindi ka nag-iisa. I can sense that itong Aris na ito, feeling niya palaging ako na lang. Yes? There is the opportunity for everybody, and you're gonna have that. You need to claim that, Aries. January 1 to 15, you're gonna have that reward, which is the balance, the karmic reward. Yung help, if you're looking for help, it will come. Yes? Persevere, persevere. Ano po, dignity in what we are doing. Yes? Don't think of it na, ay, driver lang po ako. Ay, those kind of thing. Minsan, hindi nagiging yun nagiging negative pa tayo Yeah? Okay. Understand, mapapagod tayo physically, pero it doesn't mean susuko. You can see the Nine of Pentacles, before na maging Reyna yan, maging Queen of Pentacles, dumaan siya dito. Sa Seven of Pentacles, nagtanim siya, nagpagod, walang tulog, kulang ang tulog, and then you reap your reward. Consistency. Always be consistent, Aries. You're gonna have that one. Ikaw ito, ikaw ito nagsimula dito. Disiplina, okay? Alam ko yung pangarap ko. Nag-open up, nagkaroon ako ng trabaho, maski na maliit ang sweldo ko, nababaha ako, natatraffic, napapagalitan ako, sinisigawan ako, I will persevere. I will focus on what I want at what will make me happy. Now, okay, 7, maybe I consider it for 7 years, you do that. And then on the ninth year, that's the time you're gonna harvest. The same also with your investment and grow your pentacles. So, there's no need for you to fear. If you want that something, gusto mo nang bumili ng bahay, ipangutang mo, and then you work hard for it. That's how it is. That's what life is all about. Walang bunga kung hindi tayo magtatanim. Yun ang pagtatanim na tinatawag dito po. Okay? Yes. So this is a beautiful reading. I'm not gonna add anything here kasi I believe this is a continuation ng new moon and full moon reading. Yeah, mabigat yung reading ni Aris last time na I think ang sinabi doon minsan din na kailangan malaman pa ng iba yung nararamdaman mo. Yeah? Itago mo na laang para to ano to hindi na maapektuhan yung mga nasa paligid mo. Yes? Meaning you are persevering. Gagawin mo lang yung dapat mong gawin. Wala ka nang pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba. Yung sa iyo, yung issue mo, yung challenges mo, sa'yo lang. Kasi minsan kapag nagkuwento ka pa, nandiyan yung madja-judge ka pa, yung those kind of thing, or parang kakaawaan ka na mas lalo pa tayong nanghihina. Yeah? So that's also one message here. Focus on that one. And remember, it's a cycle. Now, it's a new year. It's a new beginning for you. You have the Ace of Wands here. Keep on persevering. Huwag ka susuko. Hawak mo yung alas dito. You're gonna have that happiness that you're looking for. Careful also on the people you connect. And you're gonna celebrate and win. Win big. Win big here. And you will find your independence. Yeah? Okay. So, nice reading, Aries. Alam pa, kuha pa ako ng isang Moon Oracle. Tignan natin kung ano yung message pa kay Aries, ang ating fire sign ng mga kapatid na hardworking people. Okay. One Moon Oracle. One Moon Oracle. One Moon Oracle. I always start the new year fresh and invigorated, kasi yan ang magdadala for the rest of the 12 months. So kapag medyo matamlay tayo kapag beginning of the year, alam mo yung parang yung energy mo nahihila. Yeah? Keep on fighting. I myself, ganun din po ako. Okay, Cancer, kung meron kang Cancer placement o kaibigan, sabi nung kaibigan mong Cancer, spend time with family or helping others. Avoid situation that can be a drain on your emotion. Yeah? So, walang drama. Walang drama. That's one thing. Okay? Minsan yung fire ni Aris minsan you overdo it. So, ang tendency is you get exhausted. This is exhaustion. Okay? Being controlling, siguro it's time for you to let loose of something na hindi, ano ba yung big thing na hindi naman dapat or small thing na hindi naman dapat problemahin at pinapalaki because you want it your way. Yeah, sometimes we need to let go. Yes? Okay. So, beautiful reading, Ari. So, January 1 to 15. So, salamat po. See you again.